Changping North Railway Station. Changping North Railway Station, pinyin, Changpingbei, also known as Changpingbei Railway Station, is a railway station in the Gulou North Street in the urban area of Changping District, Beijing. The old station started to build in 1976 and opened on 1 May 1980 1980-5-1 with the whole Beijing-Tongliao Railway. All services were stopped between June to October in 2016 to rebuild a new station. On 1 November 2016 11-1, the new station opened, with its waiting hall expanded to 2987 square meters 32,150 sqft. This station became the new terminal of all long-distance trains, whose used terminal was Beijing North Railway Station. On 31 December 2017 12-31, the suburban railway Huairou-Miyun line opened, and this station started to offer services for suburban railway passengers. This new station is constructed by China Railway 6th Engineering Group from 1 June 2016 6-1 to 30 October 2016 10-30. The renovation is for sparing the old Beijing-Baotou Railway to build the Beijing-Zhangjiakou intercity railway.